Let's get straight to the point. It's really easy to make a bad music video. I've made a few. Some music videos just have the tendency to get so repetitive and predictable because they're usually consisting of multiple performance shots, haphazardly thrown on top of disconnected narrative B-roll. All of these shots are being produced with a minimal budget and squeezed into the preferred single 12-hour production day. Here's an example of a music video that I found when I searched on YouTube for a music video that was released within the last month or two. Let's watch it for like 10 seconds. I need to stress that this video is not, I repeat, not a bad video. There are, however, a couple of things in this video that I think could have kept a tighter hold on the viewer's attention just for a little bit longer. So this video consists of 4 pure performance setups. These are performance setups that incorporate strictly performance and no narrative. First pure performance shot was the Cadillac under the bridge. Second pure performance shot was the driving Cadillac. Third pure performance shot was the Churchill Grounds performance scene. And the fourth pure performance shot was the scene in front of the Chevys. Now additionally, there were several B-roll shots as well. B-roll is generally classified as secondary footage that supports your A-roll, aka your primary footage. In the case of music videos, I call any footage that isn't performance footage B-roll. And I guess performance footage would be the A-roll. The entirety of B-roll in this Jack Harlow video consisted of simply disconnected short snippets of film-like footage that served more as transitions rather than B-roll that was being used for narrative development. Going back to the performance shots now, there's even one more thing. All 4 performance shots are fully revealed before even the halfway mark of the video, so there wasn't any visual mystique regarding where the video was progressing to. After that halfway point, the video edit just began to feel a little predictable and repetitive because the remainder of the edit simply consisted of repeatedly cutting between those 4 performance shots. Let's take a look at another video called Mwasi ya Congo, performance by Daju. So this video is a little bit older by a year, but again, this was my first time seeing it this week. And the first thing that I noticed was its ability to retain my attention. Now, why was this the case, considering that I don't speak Lingala and I could barely read the French subtitles? I credit the flow of the video. It was noticeably more complex than the last video. The video consisted of 5 pure performance setups. These again are performance setups that incorporate strictly performance and no narrative. The pure performance setups go as follows: the blue pattern background, the yellow pattern background with Daju, the yellow pattern background with Gaz Moet, the waterfall scene, the bus roof, the bus bottom with dancers, and then finally the rock. Guys, we're going to pause for a short ad. So if you're a Premiere Pro video editor, you gotta check out this transition pack that the team has made just for you. These transitions are meant to give your high-paced edits just a tad bit of extra oomph. They are easily tweakable. They play very light in your timeline, and they're just a ton of fun to mess around with. These 100 transitions require no installing, no plugins, and work perfectly in the latest edition of Premiere Pro. And check this out, with every purchase, I'll throw in the entire MSI Creative Pack absolutely for free. This includes 3 additional transition packs: the box lens transition pack, the camera snapping effects pack, and the identity transitions pack. In addition to that, it also includes 3 of my light leaks packs. There's the Bloom light leaks pack, the light Opal light leaks pack, and of course the SeaGlass light leaks pack. The MSI Creative Pack is valued at over $119 alone, and again, you get it for free when you purchase the Track Matte Transitions pack today. Every single pack that you're about to download comes with an unlimited license that allows you to use all the transitions and all the effects in as many videos as you want, forever. So what are you waiting for? It's time to take a leap, try these out, and tell me what you think. It's time to get back to the video. So it's here that we refer back to the title of this video. What is the small trick that will be sure to make your music video look just a little bit better? 2 words: narrative performance setups. What is that? Well, we've already talked about a pure performance setup. Yet again, pure performance setups are performance setups that incorporate all performance and no narrative. Well, a narrative performance setup is, you guessed it, they are performance setups that incorporate both performance and narrative elements. They're definitely a plus when it comes to creating engaging shots, because they literally infuse the story and the song all within the same shot. No longer is the story simply reserved for cutaway B-roll footage. Narrative performance setups, however, take a little bit more planning to set up due to the precise timing needed to align spoken lyrics within a shot with matching narrative elements. This video has one significant narrative performance setup. The narrative performance shot is actually quite lengthy, and it starts off with Daju sitting down in front of the restaurant, getting up, greeting people on the street, paying a street vendor, giving girls a high five, finding what looks like a girls' soccer team and following them onto the bus. All these things that were forming this narrative were being done simultaneously while vocalizing the lyrics perfectly. Now let's talk about the straight B-roll for a second too. The B-roll really helped well with both the narrative and the pacing of the video. I believe the straight translation of the name of the song is Woman of Congo. So it made sense that a lot of the B-roll was message matching to that theme, including a lot of just simply beautiful looking women posing. Lastly, notice the visual mystique that was maintained when the editor made a choice to actually withhold shots until the middle and until the end of the video. It really did prevent the video from getting just repetitive and predictable. A few other things that I liked about the video: the speed ramping of several of the B-roll shots that rolled off the song's hi-hats, and the high shutter speed that was used to reduce motion blur, which emphasized motion, whether it be the dancing or even the performing of the main artists. And guys, one more thing. Shout out to the director, Lucas Maggiore. Sorry if I pronounced your name wrong. This video looked amazing. And of course, shout out to Daju, his team, as well as Gaz. This video was incredible to watch. If you have any other comments about this video, make sure to leave it in the comments below. As always, guys, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell so you know when new videos are coming out. And one quick thing that I also want to mention is I'm going to be part of the jury of the 2021 MSI Creator Awards, judging the film category. They are one of the incredible sponsors for this video, and the theme this year is Tech Meets Aesthetic. So create something along this theme and you have the chance of winning one of their amazing grand prizes, such as their incredible monitors, desktops, and PCs. You can submit both new work as well as work that you've created within the last year. Entries are open right now and then they close midnight May 31st. Please make sure to check all the details out in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and as always, remember to keep it chill.